Hi, I'm Janie, and I'm coming to you straight from Orr Manor, which is my 1865 haunted mansion. And today I am going to do an unboxing of the cheapest thing you can get on Louis Vuitton. So let's go. I'm going to go ahead and pull tab. And there's the I'm going to open up my Louis Vuitton receipt. It's so neat how they package just a simple receipt in one of these. And it comes in this envelope, and you get your receipt and on this LV paper, and you get your little thank you for shopping with us and an exchange and return policy in that envelope. And I guess since I bought this around the holidays, it has the red holiday ribbon on it, like this. And then it has, and then I'll put a link on where you can get this. It says Louis. Let's see what the little tag says on the inside, or the card, sorry, the card. And it comes, oh, look at the little teeny tiny envelope. And it's a blank little gift card, so I'm gonna have to glue this back because I opened it the wrong way. I should have opened it here and not unglued it, but anyway, it's very cute. I think it's cute how it comes in this little gift pouch. So, Louis. Okay, so I took off the ribbon, which is gonna be long enough for me to convert this into something cool, which you need to subscribe to my video because you will see soon what I can convert Louis Vuitton ribbon into an article of clothing. Okay, so this is the box. It's got the little blue pull tab on it. And you open it up like a drawer. And this is what I got. It's a San Francisco travel guide, and I decided to get San Francisco because I lived there for a few years when I was in the Navy, and I just think looking at all this and marking everything that I've already been to would be so cool. And there's an app you can download on the App Store too, or on the Apple Store, so you can also have the travel guide with you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this if I can find my scissors, because they were around here just a minute ago, and of course when I do all this, they're gone. So where did they go? Let me see. I know they're around here somewhere. Let me check. Hold on. Is she? Where did my scissors go? Where did my scissors go? Well, it looks like they're nowhere. So I'm going to try to open this with my fingernail. I don't know if it's going to work. Where did my scissors go? I just saw them. Gosh, I swear. I lose so much stuff. And me being old doesn't help. I know, I just have, don't mind my pajama bottoms. Let's see. I'm gonna try it with I'll try it with my embroidery needle. I'll open it up that way. Just gotta get underneath the plastic to start a seam to open. But these little travel guides are so cute. Like if you want to get somebody a gift, and And, you know, if you can't afford anything huge or spectacular or whatever, it's a nice little gift, and everybody deserves a little bit of luxury. And it's just so neat how the packaging came and everything. And I think this was only $35, and which isn't bad at all, considering it's from Louis Vuitton. But it makes a cool coffee table book. And it has this, and something fell out of it. Oh, it's about the city guide on the App Store. It comes in, oh, and you get these little, you get like little Louis Vuitton stickers, which is nice. And then it just shows, oh, and it has a little bookmark in it right here, a little ribbon bookmark. And the paper, it feels like a Bible, like the type of paper in a Bible, like parchment paper. I think that's what that is. But they have, tells you about the icons of the bags, and it's got an index on the back. It's got the streets of San Francisco. It's just really, it's a really cool book. And there's like pictures. But yeah, that's what it has a restaurant guide. And it tells you all the restaurants inside, and it's all kinds of neat things in this book. It tells you the hotels where you can stay. But yeah, it's a really neat book, and I'm gonna post a link of the book where I got it. There's other books. There's Paris, there's New York, there's, you know, all over the world. London, I'm sure. And I just wanted San Francisco because that's where I met my husband, and it was one of the most beautiful places that I've seen, and I just loved it. And I'd love to move back if it wasn't so expensive, but I'd like to move my house that I have now into San Francisco. But if you could see updates of my house on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. Instagram's Orrmanor, O-R-R. It's O-R-R-M-A-N-O-R. And then my Facebook page is Orrmanor in Jonesville, Virginia. And my house, actually, it looks like the Psycho house on the outside, so it's really neat. And of course it's haunted. So, but yeah, tune in, subscribe. I'll also be doing some giveaways, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will send one of my subscribers a little piece of luxury from possibly Louis Vuitton. So thank you for watching. Bye.